have harvested the first zucchini! Yay! It looks good. Here with Liz. And then I'll do a little, oh, I'm dropping my phone. I'm not very professional. Where are we?
Right now we're at Williams at University Plaza in Waterloo.
Okay.
And we're having a little bite to eat.
What'd you get?
I got this lovely chicken Caesar wrap and this giant pickle. Show them how big this pickle is.
Huge.
Yeah, come to Williams.
Yes! And then I got a roasted rice veggie bowl. Hi guys, VoiceOver Jazz here, coming in to you live from my new dance studio, which I'm so excited to show you guys at the end of this vlog, so stay tuned. The majority of the next videos are all just videos without audio, hence the reason I'm popping in on a voiceover. So after meeting my friend in Waterloo, if you guys aren't following her already, it's Liz on Lair, and we are friends and mutuals on social media, so it was really cool to meet her in person for the first time. So after meeting with Liz, we decided to pop in at Elora because Elora is actually pretty close to Kitchener-Waterloo. I had never been to Elora before, but I've heard lots of things about it and I've seen it all over my feed, so we had to stop in at all the cutest shops. There were so many nautical things, vintage finds. You guys know I absolutely love my book nooks. I sadly didn't pick any up because I was really trying to not spend money on myself because I had birthdays coming up as well as a wedding coming up. I picked up one of these candle holders for my mom. I picked up the little cat one with the stars because she loves cats. And like I said, we just toured around and enjoyed Elora. It is such a cute Ontario town. I highly recommend it if you're someone who likes shopping, if you're someone who likes good food, if you're someone who wants a little taste of Europe but lives in Ontario. There's no shortage of things to do here. There were so many events happening at the same time, not necessarily in the downtown. The downtown was busy, but it wasn't as touristy as a lot of other places near Toronto that I have been to, which is nice. I could easily walk through the streets, but again, it was busy because we were in the height of the summer season while we were visiting. So after walking around, we worked up quite a bit of an appetite and we stopped for dinner at Friendly Society, which was right downtown on the corner of one of the main streets. And like I said, it's like a slice of Europe without actually having to go to Europe. The food was really, really good. We both got sandwiches. Steve got a side salad while I got the fries, and you guys can see what he ended up eating. Usually it's the reverse, but I was super, super hungry, so I ended up getting the fries, and usually I pick at his, but here we are. They were delicious. The sandwiches were delicious. We walked around some more, found this cute little market in the heart of Elora that was a self-serve market, and I picked up some souvenirs and presents. Honestly, I couldn't resist the little cat, so after we were done in Elora, we had to drive back down to home. I got the Ravenclaw donut. Which one did you get, Steven?
Gryffindor.
Gryffindor! Well, it's really Gryffindor! Gryffindor! Yum. I got the Forbidden Forest, which I showed earlier. Oh my gosh. You're so sweet. Hi, baby. They're not that different than Elsa. Today, Steve-O.
Painting.
Painting what?
Dance room.
What in the dance room?
The walls.
at the beach. Okay, so we got some masala halloumi rice, zucchini from the garden, naan, hummus, and you prefer your naan with margarine, but it looks delicious. It's just missing tamarind sauce and chutney. One of the perks of working from home and being home more often in general is being able to cook fresh food, and I'm so grateful that I have more time to cook meals like this because I really missed it. That is gonna look so nice. Your neck looks really long from this angle.
I'm gonna grab this quick.
You're in my shot. Really in my shot. Okay, this morning we painted the room, missed a few spots, but painted the room.
Those are your spots.
The pink looks really nice. It's definitely a lot more pink than the swatch, but it's very, very nice. We're going in for the second coat. We're going to apply a second coat of this room and then we'll be done pretty much, right?
We're gonna apply a second coat of this room.
We're gonna apply, oh my gosh, the paint fumes. We're gonna apply a second coat of this paint in this room, but it's looking good. Ballet bar, maybe a mirror, possibly. Office desk and chair in the corner. Excited, let's get to work. You guys know how much I love ballet, and you also know how excited I am to use this space as an in-home ballet studio, but I couldn't thank you guys enough for all the love and support you showed me because it's really made me feel confident in pursuing my dreams and what I really want to do with my life. I honestly didn't think that YouTube and content creation would lead to where it has now, and I'm so grateful and excited for the next chapter. Yay! We're done! Good job. What do you think of the color, Steve?
Oh, it's excellent.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Nice matching color.
Okay guys, today is the day. We painted the room yesterday and the day before. It looks so good. I love the color. We are pulling up this protective layer to reveal the flooring, which means this room is officially done. We have insulation, we have the trim painted, the walls painted, the floor is done. It used to be carpet in here. It used to be bright orange in here. So I'm very excited to share with you guys this ballet studio in our home. And I'm also very excited to unveil the floor. It's so echoey right now because the room's so empty. I'm gonna let Steve do the flooring and I'm gonna stay behind it just because it's gonna be very dusty. And I was gonna film a stretching video. I guess I could film it here if I wanted. No. No, it's gonna be dusty, right? Welcome to my dance studio.
You're gonna have to clean your shoes.
I know, it's okay. Hi guys, this is probably my last ballet class in this room. So let's have fun. I just did a stretch, posted it to my YouTube. Let's do a ballet class.